Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
This actor started his Bollywood journey with Chittagong, followed by A Negative Shade in Pink, and then went on to surprise us with his role in Monsoon Shootout. And now he has won our hearts yet again in the recently released film Gully Boy. So today we have with us Vijay Verma, aka Bole To Moin Bhai from Gully Boy.
Hello sir.
Thank you sir, thank you. Sir, सब जगह पे मोइन भाई चालू है.
चल रहा है क्या?
Yes sir. So you have just shot to, people are just loving you all over again. So how are the feelings?
The feeling is absolutely very, very welcoming. In my heart, I feel full. I feel so much great gratitude for where I am right now, and for the opportunity that was given to me, and opportunity to work with such phenomenal talents.
We saw your glimpse of rap in the movie, जो बहुत unexpected था, बहुत surprisingly था, but वो थोड़ी देख लेता, but it was very lovingly. So थोड़ा सा अगर हो जाए तो audience के लिए.
मैंने आज ही उसका एक वर्जन अपलोड किया है Instagram पे, Twitter पे, check that out. But थोड़ा सा नजराना अगर मैं दूँ तो basically वड़े wow वड़े वड़ा पाव हाव.
That was really amazing. We sudden tha, instant tha, and it was just amazing. So how did the thought come of including your rap in the film?
The idea came from Ranveer.
Achha.
And it was not written in the script that I'll break into a gig, but it was Ranveer who said कि यहाँ पर मोइन भाई को छूट जाना चाहिए, यहाँ पर मोइन भाई फैल जाना चाहिए. Then I said great suggestions, and I went back home, worked on what I can do, and I came up with something. We shot that.
Yeah, we loved it.
Thank you so much.
And also, your camaraderie with Ranveer on the screen was amazing. But when we talk about off the screen, how was the rapport between you two?
Off screen, it was. We had a lot of silent moments together because he really was in the zone of being Murad in that film, and I was trying to be as much as Moin as I could. So it was very pleasant, very taking care of each other, making sure that we're all comfortable, and we shared stories about the films that we love and the cinema that we admire. And I'm a huge fan of him. I've always been since Lutera, and I was blown by his performance in Bajirao Mastani and in Khilji. So I was in awe of him for a long time. And I used to just tell him that, "Bhai, ये बहुत अच्छा किया आपने. I enjoyed this work of yours and stuff like that." And I really let him be in the zone that he was in. He was really working hard on this one. He had to learn so much rap for this one. He had to completely go internal. So it was just beautiful that we could stay together, and we have a lot of driving shots in the film. Yeah. And it was just nice and pleasant and beautiful.
One thing that actually you looked at Ranveer during the shoot and you felt यार ये बात बंदे में है, ऐसी कोई एक चीज जो आपको बहुत ही पसंद आ गई उनके बारे में?
It's his ability to just give love. He's so full of it himself that he's so easily giving it to people. He doesn't have an insecure trait in him. He's very, very secure, very confident, extremely respectful of everybody around him, and very committed to making the scene work, and making sure there is the right atmosphere for shoot to happen. Like he was very readily giving आके hug करेगा, and when he's sitting beside me, he's giving me a massage. So you just feel like I felt very loved by him.
Okay, any anecdote or any memory that you still recall from the shooting?
There are a lot of memories from the movie. The day that it was my last day of the shoot. I was finishing the work in this film, and it was supposed to be my last shot of the day. So it was that scene, if you remember in the film, when he comes and he says कि उसने बॉटली फोड़ा उसके सर पे, and then I say शाबाश मेरी बच्ची, अच्छा किया उसने, तेरी गलती है. And with that conversation we shot, and we were shooting in the garage, and I come back. I was coming down and my heart was a little heavy that the film is over and I'm going to be gone. I won't be meeting these people again soon. But I came back and I start hearing Azadi playing on a beat on a jukebox. and then I see there is a cake being kept there, and Zoya is holding it, and I go there, and they're like, Moin, rap for today, it's film rap for Moin. They all started clapping and cheering for me, and Ranveer came in from behind, and I cut the cake, and he gave me such a nice big hug, held me for like, it felt like he was forever holding me, and he gave me such a beautiful hug, and he said, "Bhai, बहुत ज़बरदस्त मज़ा आया." And then I said, same man, I really wish I could do this more. And then the music kept playing. It was a rap for Dharavi also, last day of Dharavi. So they made a celebration out of my last day of work. It was very sweet of them, and I will always remember that. I'll show the video to you someday.
When are we seeing you or explore different shades now?
There are a couple of films. One film and one web series that I'm part of, which is already a lot different than what I've done in Gully Boy and what I've done in the past. So it has a unique flavor to it. So these are different colors that I'm using. You will see them soon, I think, hopefully this year, both the projects. One is a series called, I don't know the name of the series as yet, it's unnamed. It's with Imtiaz Ali sir. And then there is a movie called as Bumpar, which is being presented by Anurag Kashyap.
Yeah, we're waiting to see you over there.
Bumpar.
Thank you so much, sir. So guys, that was Moin Bhai. No. Actually, it is Vijay Verma with us. And this is Priyanka Chauhan signing off for now with cameraman Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Vijay Verma and you're watching me on India Forums. I don't take anything else, but I give the fun.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah.
Nisha Conservis. So one last message for your fans.
Message for my fans, please delete TikTok.